Hello and welcome back to another episode of Construction in Vancouver. No, I'm just kidding. But seriously, weather is great, but it is noisy out here. So hopefully you can hear me well. Again, I apologize for not being able to make these videos every single day. I was away camping over the weekend. Today we're diving into day 5 of the Flow Along Mobility Challenge. If you're new to this challenge, do check out some of the previous videos because what we are going into today will build on what we learned in day 3, the drag and roll. So if you have any questions, if you want feedback on your form, feel free to use the hashtag TRGMobility or tag me in your videos and I'll try my best to give pointers. Today's exercise, we'll be going into the dragon switch. So it'll be broken down into first 1 minute of doing the dragon roll from right to left. Then we'll do 1 minute of doing the dragon roll the other way from left to right. And then I'll show you how to connect both of those using a pivot. We'll spend about 4 minutes doing that. And then we'll transition into doing the actual hop. And I'll show you another variation where we get a bit more counter rotation as well. So again, if you're new to rope flow, do go at your own pace. Make sure you're in a nice, distraction-free, safe environment while you're exercising. And make sure that you're only moving within ranges of motions that you feel comfortable in. So if it's too difficult to do the hop, then you can skip over that and you can just focus on the pivots. But let's try our best to follow along and let's get into it. All right, let's get started with the drag and roll going right to left. So drag from the right, go to the left, flip to the back, like that. All right, drag from right to left, flip to the back, and then turn again. So if you don't already know how to do the drag and roll, you might want to start on day 3. So this is going to be our warm-up. Some key reminders as you start to get back into doing the drag and roll. Number 1, make sure that your hands don't come all the way up like that. And make sure your hands are not doing the work. Make sure that you're twisting your body as well. Look at me, I'm twisting my body. And what gets the rope over your head is going to be a flick of the wrist. So you have palms down, palms up, palms down, palms up. That's how you get the rope to go behind you, right? You're not forcing the rope like this with your hand. So going right to left, don't forget to twist. Have soft knees so you can bend your knees as well. All right, now that you have that warmed up, let's go the other way. So going left to right, same thing. Do the drag and roll. Try to keep both hands at the same height. There is another variation where you have one hand doing that kind of throwing movement over your head. But if you're not used to it and you don't do it correctly, it's easier for you to hit your head with the rope because you're not balanced. So make sure you have palms down, palms up, and you're twisting your body, all right? Twisting your body. Again, the timing, if you get the rope hitting you, especially at the back, it's when you're not turning your body in time. Okay, the first thing I'm going to show you is how to do the switching motion. So without using any rope movement, the first thing that we want to do is we're standing in our regular stance, legs shoulder width apart. What I want you to do is put more weight on your left foot, and I want you to pivot your right foot over your left like this. And you're turning your feet as well, so that it comes up like this. So again, turn, come back, turn, come back, turn. All right? So what we're going to do is when we have the drag and roll going right to left, when we put our weight on the left foot, we will do our switch on the front side. So that's how it looks like. So when the rope is at your front, you turn. All right? I'll show that again. Rope is to your front, you turn, and then it goes to the back. So I'll show it from the side so you can see as well. So I'm going to go from weight on my left foot and then turn my right foot over, step over, right? Like that. Step over. So going right to left. Notice that the rope's actually going to tap this side twice and this side once. So front, back, front, turn. And you notice when I front, turn, it goes to my back, but it's still on this side. And then I go back to 1, 1, 1, 1. The reason why you need to practice your drag and roll both ways, going left and right to left, is because right now I'm going right to left, but once I turn, I'm going left to right, all right? So you have to get your brain used to changing the direction. So when you practice stepping over your left foot, turn, So let's do the count again. Front, back, front, turn. And then go back. Front, back, front, turn. Front, back, front, turn. Right, get used to stepping over. And then to switch over on the back side, you actually do it the opposite. So now you put your weight on your right foot, and then you step over with your left foot when it's on the back side. So front, back, like that. Front, back, right? Front, back, turn, back. Front, back, turn, back. So I'll show it from the front again. I'm gonna step my left foot over my right foot, put more weight on my right foot. And I'm turning on the back swing, right? Front, back, front, back. Front, back, turn, back. Front, back, turn, back. Front, back, turn, turn. Turn, turn. So get used to stepping both ways. How do you come back? Front, back, turn, back, turn, like that. So you're actually doing it on the back side as well. Front, back, turn, back, turn, back, front, back. All right? Practice right side and left side. Right side and left side. Right side, left side. If it gets too dizzy, going both front to back consecutively, just do your right side first, right side, and then left side, separately. So right, right, left, left. Okay, now that you're used to pivoting and changing directions from going right to left to the opposite direction, left to right, what I want you to incorporate in is, instead of doing a pivot, you are just going to do a hop. Same mechanics, same movement. If you are going to turn your body to the right, what's going to happen is you switch on the back swing, all right? Front, back jump, like that, right? So if I'm turning to the right, I go to the back, then I jump and turn to the right. If I'm turning to the left, like this, then I'm doing it on the front swing, all right? If I'm going right to left, right, left, like that. Front, jump, 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 jump. And I'll show you from the side. Going right to left, jump, 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 jump. And if I'm going it the other direction, turning to the right, jump, jump, back, all right. So you should notice, now that you get your legs moving and you're jumping, it becomes quite a workout. So if you need to take a break, if you just need to do a few things, feel free to do that. Once you're ready, I want to show you a different variation where instead of doing a hop like this, you're going to do some counter rotation. So for counter rotation, what happens is, with the hop, if you notice, this kind of hop movement is kind of like if you were walking like this. Same side hand, same side leg, all right? Counter rotation, ideally you want to have rotating this way. So if your right shoulder come over your left leg, and then the opposite around, with your left shoulder coming over your right leg. So how it's gonna look is, when you do your dragon roll, I want you to start with your left foot out, right foot to the back. So I'll show from the side. Left foot out, right foot to the back. Turn to your left, and you do right to left dragon rolls. And then you switch your leg, when you switch to the back, all right? Like that. Switch your leg and then you turn the opposite direction. Not only does it look better, you get more of a twist in your body. And you don't have to really do this the other way, because technically you're practicing going left to right and right to left at the same time when you work in this counter rotation. Facing the other direction is going to look the same. I'm just going to show from here. Oops, sorry. So same thing, like that. So from the front, let's say I left my left foot out right now to start, and I'm going right to left on my left side of my body. When I switch to the back, I'm going to jump. Jump. Front, jump. Back, jump. Front, jump. Back, jump. Front, jump. Back, jump. Front, jump. Back, jump. Whew, all right. It's quite a workout. And that's it. If you followed along, that is your 10-minute for today. You should feel quite a burn. And tune in tomorrow and we'll go into a slightly easier variation where we'll talk about the dragon hit, this one, and we'll also go into the dragon hug. That's the hug. Alright, now that I've caught my breath quite a bit, that is basically the main workout that I use when I try to get some cardio in when I'm doing rope flow. It's great for warm-up, great for full body workout involving both your shoulders, your arms, and even your legs and your back as well. So do definitely try that out and practice that quite a bit. If you have any questions, if you want some feedback on your form, again, feel free to shoot me an email, chin@trgflow.com, or you can use the hashtag TRGMobility or tag me when you post your videos. All right, have a great day and see you tomorrow.